Indian scientists are training an artificial intelligence tool with Indian patients' data with an aim to potentially change how breast and ovarian cancers are diagnosed and treated. Researchers say that it could dramatically compress diagnosis timelines and pave the way for highly personalized cancer treatment. Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Sneha Richarya and I am here to explain how a made in India AI based software called iOncology AI is being trained to address a critical bottleneck in Indian cancer care, why Indian medical data matters, and how it could eventually predict the best treatments for patients. Breast and ovarian cancers are two of the most common and deadly malignancies affecting women in India. Breast cancer alone accounts for roughly 27% of all female cancers in the country, having overtaken cervical cancer as the leading cause of cancer related deaths among Indian women. Now, ovarian cancers remain exceptionally lethal because, unlike cervical cancer, which now has effective vaccines, it develops silently with subtle or vague symptoms, meaning that it is usually detected only at an advanced and aggressive stage. Now, under the conventional clinical system, arriving at a complete cancer diagnosis may take anywhere from 7 to 10 days. A major reason for this delay is that a patient's medical records are heavily siloed. For instance, the patient's pathology slides may be with one doctor, their radiology scans with another, blood markers in a separate file, and their clinical history with an overstretched oncologist who has only a few minutes to spend with each patient in a crowded OPD. Now, rarely does it happen that a single clinician have the complete picture at a single glance. So the challenge is not just speed, it is also certainty. So the challenge is not just the speed, it is also certainty. Cancer diagnosis requires multiple specialists to interpret different pieces of evidence, and variations in assessment, like two pathologists may disagree on a tumor's grade, and this can stall critical treatment decisions. Now, to bridge this gap, researchers at the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, or CDAC, in Pune and the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi have developed iOncology.ai. The platform brings a patient's record into a single AI powered dashboard. It integrates pathology findings, imaging data, laboratory results, and clinical history simultaneously. So, how does it work? A pathologist can upload digital images of tumor tissues, a radiologist can feed in CT scans, MRIs, or mammograms, and an oncologist can add patient history all into the same system. The platform, which runs on India's most powerful supercomputer called Param Airawat, then analyzes the combined dataset to identify patterns and generate recommendations on tumor grade, stage, and possible treatment pathways. Now, crucially, developers emphasize this as a tool of augmented intelligence, which is designed to assist and not replace the medical workforce. The final clinical decision always rests entirely with the doctor. The platform integrates with the Ayushman Bharat digital mission, ensuring patient records move seamlessly across facilities without getting lost when a patient is referred from a district hospital to a tertiary institution. But the most critical breakthrough of iOncology.ai lies in the data it learns from. When researchers initially trained the platform on global open source dataset predominantly, which are sourced from Western populations, its diagnostics accuracy hovered around just 49%. However, after the model was retrained on approximately 3,800 routine and historical cases drawn specifically from Indian patients at AIMS in New Delhi, its accuracy jumped to around 79%. This is because Indian patients' data is biologically and demographically different from Western populations. Tumor morphology, meaning that the physical shape, structure, and cellular characteristics of a tumor in Indian breast cancer patients does not always mirror the patterns that dominate global training datasets. Now, algorithms trained exclusively on North American or European datasets, for instance, often underperform when applied to Indian patients. Building this tool has not been easy because India faces a massive shortage of organized, annotated, and ethically sourced medical imaging data. Clinical records have historically been handwritten and unstandardized. While digitization has picked up since 2017, both government institutions and private health tech startups continue to hit a wall when trying to access high quality Indian datasets. Now, despite these hurdles, the team behind iOncology.ai is already looking towards a much more ambitious future, the creation of digital twins. Instead of giving a standard treatment protocol and waiting weeks to see the results, doctors would first run a virtual simulation on a computational model of the individual patient. The supercomputer would then match the patient's complete genetic and molecular profile against thousands of comparable patient histories to predict exactly how they will respond to a specific drug. Oncologists call this precision medicine, shifting from broad cancer specific treatments to biology specific, person specific care. While the platform is currently in a testing and research phase, medical experts say that it represents a significant step forward in using local data to solve local health crises, potentially giving doctors the ultimate edge in the race against time. That was all from me. I am Sneha Richarya. You were watching The Print.